Part 2 of the Hoover. See, I got a call right in the middle of the video, so I had to put part 2 up. But here, let me show you. Goes all the way up there, then all the way down there. Attachment. One of the attachments goes right in the side. It's my extender. Showed you the upholstery tool already. It's missing. The crevice tool and the duster tool. Otherwise, it's in really good shape. I'm gonna put an LED light in it, so it'll have LED. Just like my Kirby over there. Everybody knows about my Kirby. This is why this video got started, or this channel. Maybe next time I'll show you a video on this and the Kirby. So, let's just show you the ropes of, you know, not much else to say. It's got a typical American plug. If you wanted to see how the light reflector works. It's a light reflector. It's the clean rubber that I cleaned naturally. I cleaned it with a popsicle stick, a slightly damp popsicle stick. I may have said that in this video or may have not. But, yeah. That's it for you today. See ya. See you another day. Remember to subscribe and like my videos and then ring the bell for notifications of my next videos about vacuums. And we'll see you later.